people cut the spring onions, people just cut it like this. This is just kind of press it like that. Look very messy, but it's also very nice as well. Yeah, see that? Very beautiful.
へしこの切り方初めて見た。そう。
The dressing. Yeah, that is actually like. Whenever you the father of everything. From that piece, people have some equipment. They cut it or they put it goes right there. So that goes right there is our sweet.
Yes, please. はい、できました。
Tofu in the tofu. First one, jiggle. It's soft, texture like jelly, and they're fresh. The second way, hey, lychee, the long one over there. From one side. Those black notes are actually like lined up like that. We just cut it like a V. Right now it's the summer, so obviously we need to get some of the papaya.
ちょっとスパイス